I sure hope this poor young man knows what he's getting into. We'll try to help him out. Sir, I'm Chief Merricks of Altavista PD. License and registration, please.
What did I do?
See license and registration. We'll talk about it, sir. Whoever I'm talking to, and I'll be glad to. Mr. Mitchell. The reason I'm pulling you over because you did a California stop back at that stoplight. When you finally came to a stop and it's 3/4 of the way out in the road, somebody could have hit you.
Yes, sir.
Tell you what, step out the car for me. Is anything illegal in the truck?
No, sir.
All right. How about stepping out for me? All right. Still want to do this? I could get me a squat.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have a seat right there. How you doing? Your name, please, ma'am?
Sierra Harrison.
Sarah. Do me a favor. Will you step out of the car, please?
Yeah.
Is there anything illegal, anything will hurt me, poke or stick me in the vehicle?
No.
It's not. Okay. How about walking back here with me?
Will you marry me? I love you. You okay? I appreciate it, Chief.
You know what's going on, did you? You're on camera, so I got it.